most venomous snake on land. The rare, envenomating lizard. The tiny, toxin-wielding red-backed spider. Or the ferocious Sydney funnel web. Which is the deadliest venom? The deserted heart of the Australian outback, where people seldom venture, is the hot, baked home of the most venomous land snake in the world, the inland taipan, a 2-meter-long snake with enough venom in one blow to kill 250,000 mice. Ranging from a paler, more heat-reflecting coloration in summer to a dark, heat-absorbing brown-black in winter. Just over a dozen of these muscular, small-scaled snakes will take shelter in the cracks and fissures of the baked earth, as well as in the burrow systems of their favored prey, the long-haired rat. These burrows and crevices are also where they leave their eggs. Leathery, elongated eggs are deposited and abandoned. 2 months later, they begin that slither out of their shells are already equipped with venom that is similar in toxicity to hatch. The juvenile snakes to that of a fully grown taipan. They will immediately have to fend for themselves in the barren landscapes that await them. Almost half a meter on hatching, these fast-growing snakes live exclusively on warm-blooded mammals. Many of their upper body scales have a dark edge to them, creating a herringbone pattern along their bodies. The underbelly of these snakes is a creamy yellow with orangey blotches, usually only visible if they rear up in a threat display, something seldom seen in these shy and placid snakes. The plains mice and other small mammals of the arid outback can offer a meal in lean times. As their prey is usually fast-moving, venomous snakes need their toxins to be fast-acting, so precious meals are neither lost nor alive long enough to fight back. But these mice are not the taipan's favorite food. The population of these most venomous snakes really depends on the population of rats. Cornered in their own home, there is no escape. Death is rapid, as superpotent neurotoxin venom sears through the rat's body. Its lethal effects hastened by a spreading agent which increases the rate the venom is absorbed. Nudging the lifeless rat to its favored position, the taipan aligns its meal. Opening jaws held together by immensely strong and flexible muscles, the rat is gripped by fangs on each side of the jaw, which the taipan then walks down the rat's body. Massive amounts of saliva are produced to lubricate the furry meal. the snake's body accommodates the rat. Ribs stretch apart and enlarge the body space as food moves downward. The venom that has killed the rat now has another use. The powerful digestive enzymes it contains help to break down flesh as the snake starts to absorb its meal. Despite being known as a fierce snake, with enough venom to kill 100 adult men in one bite, no human deaths have ever been recorded from this shy and reclusive serpent.